Hey, I can use the new saw kukri for opening the box for the new concrete saw. Ooh, cardboard for the garden. At least if it lasts long enough. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. So it's a Vevor 16-inch electric concrete saw. Because I don't use them very often. So for a little bit over $200 with the blade, seems worth trying. So hopefully this doesn't turn into like my adventure with the Vevor cordless rotary hammer. Anyway, you may see my other video at some point. Vevor was not the brand that was advertised on the Home Depot website when I bought this, but that's what showed up, and it showed up a little early, and as long as it does the job, I'll be happy. Which is basically getting a lid on this very old septic tank that doesn't have a lid that would fit the riser normally, or at least today's risers. This lid probably requires a backhoe to lift. It's about 5.5 feet by 7 feet long and 4 inches thick.